Hey y'all, just wanted to do a quick demo and review on this Ottocast Android car stream adapter that I recently picked up here. This is installed in a 2021 Toyota Highlander Platinum. This comes with the top of the line Toyota Intune system with the 12.3 inch monitor right over here. And factory installed, you're able to play, you can use Apple Carplay and Android Auto, but you have to use the data cable underneath here to plug it in, so it's not wireless. And so I was looking online about ways that we can hook that up wirelessly and play media off of the OEM factory display. And so I know there's a lot of different companies and brands out there. I settled on this one to show you what some of these features are for this particular model. This is, again, Ottocast. It's running Android 9.0 Nougat for its operating system. So let's go ahead and turn it on. It's already plugged in. The data is running off of my phone. So I had to turn my phone into a hotspot. I put this box right here. You see that it's blinking. And once it turns solid, that means it's hooked up. In my experience, it takes about 10 seconds or less. And you'll notice right here for it to be recognized. There we go. Just like that. Now it's loaded up. For your driving safety, please do not watch the video while driving. You have to hit the button I know. And there you have it, y'all. It looks pretty nice. It maintains the features on this side. So if I want to control climate, my seats, any of my stats on my car, this can be running while this is running as well. You can even toggle back and forth like this. Go back and forth. And so since we have it here, I put in a custom background. It's a picture of a Toyota Highlander steering wheel. Looks pretty sweet. And if we were to go into Netflix here, there we go. So you're Netflix. Let's see here. Let's just watch Voltron for a second. I won't play it too long. All right. There it is. So if you want to toggle back and forth.
Garrison Flight Log 51114, begin descent to Kerberos to rescue mission.
Pretty cool. And then here you can also control the volume right off the steering wheel. See it right there?
I mean, it's not like I did this.
So that's pretty cool. Let me close this out. If you hit, this is the home button down here. If you hit the home button again, it's going to minimize it and you can do some other stuff, but I'm going to close it out for now. Let's say, for example, you wanted to go into Google Maps. Pull up Google Maps. There you go. And what's cool here also is do split screen. On this screen, maybe I will play some YouTube. You got YouTube right here. The interface is pretty smooth. I can hit the home or menu button and it'll just take me back to the factory settings. Hit this button to go back to the Android operating system. Let me go back to the home screen. Close this out. We're back to this screen again. It has Google Play Store in there. It also has a USB port right here. So if you wanted to plug in a memory stick with music or movies, you can definitely do that as well. With Phonecast, you can also screen mirror from your phone. I've did that before. It does also have Bluetooth phone functions. I tried it once. I will never use it again on this thing because I don't know what ended up happening, but it reformatted my contacts list. All of my names before were like first and last name. And then when I try to use it once, it works. I called my wife and it worked perfectly through the car system, but it rearranged it where all the contacts were starting with last name, first name, which I hate. And so I'm not going to use that again. So just giving you some FYI if you were looking to getting this here. So the picture in the background, you can customize it however you want. So you can put whatever picture you want. I think it's pretty smooth. I have Google Assistant on here. This is actually default. So for streaming, Netflix and YouTube is already pre-installed. Prime, Amazon Prime, I downloaded that. If you go to the Google Play Store, you will not be able to find Disney Plus or Hulu. That's not available through the Play Store through this this box. There is HBO Max that I saw on there, but I don't have a subscription to them, so it's not on here. But yeah, just wanted to kind of give you an idea of how the user interface works here on my Toyota Highlander, and hope you like it. I like it. This will help out on those days where my wife goes to the mall and me and the kids, we just want to chill in the car because I don't want to hold bags. So we just sit in the car and we'll just watch some shows while mommy does her shopping. So anyways, any questions, put it in the comment and I'll be happy to address it for you. Peace.